Hello guys, welcome back, and if this is your first time here, my name is Noemi. Today I am going to deep clean my refrigerator. I'm going to clean it inside and out with all natural homemade cleaners. When I do the deep cleaning in my refrigerator, I really like to pick a day when I'm somewhat top of the things in the kitchen so I don't add to the disaster. And first of all, I like to do the side doors and pockets so that way I can close it back and make sure I don't have all the stuff out there. So first always just the doors and the pockets, and then once they are clean and I put back everything, that's when I'm going to start to do the bigger shelves. I like to use an all-purpose cleaner. Sometimes if I have some kind of spots, I like to use the magic eraser and this soft brush. This is the best, guys. I love this. You know this if you've been here following me on this channel. I've been using this for over a year, I think, and it's just really nice to get into those nooks and crannies. It just really reach to the corners that would be hard to clean. So this is one of my favorite tools in the kitchen. I have lots of IKEA kitchen towels. They are so inexpensive and they are absorbing the water so well, and I like to use this after I wash them so that way they will be really shiny. If you want your refrigerator to smell really nice, I like to mix 1 cup of baking soda with 10 drops of lemon oil. I don't like to use any other ones because, jasmine smells really nice, but it doesn't taste good. But I like to put that in the refrigerator after I'm done, and also I'm giving a good vibe to all the condiments and bottles. There you go. And here's a tip how to keep this mold free, this brush. I like to put it on the sun. However, we don't really have much sun on the winter, so what I like to do, I just put a little bit of a thyme essential oil on it, just a few drops after a few uses, and that helps so much. I have some beans that I soaked overnight, and this is from my garden. Next year I definitely want to plant more of that, and now I'm just going to cook it and put it into the refrigerator and use it later on.
Won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. I've been dreaming about a life. A dog, the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Oh yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, I keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, oh, ooh,
Now I am going to clean the fixed shelves, and I know some of you have mentioned that I can pop out that glass from there, but honestly guys, I don't want to, because this is an old refrigerator and we got this as from the second-hand store, so it wasn't really clean and it's kind of stuck in there. So I'm afraid if I'm going to pop this out, maybe it's going to break, so I'm just going to roll with that. I used to keep our cold cuts in this drawer, but I switched that with the vegetables because sometimes if I have a cabbage or something or broccoli that are bigger and a little bit higher, so I couldn't put them into those very shallow shelves, but now that I switched them around, it works out perfectly. I don't know if it's just me guys, but every time I pull out a drawer or a shelf, I always have a hard time to put it back. I have these organizers from IKEA, and as you can see, it's got little things in the corners, so it would be really hard to clean, but this brush is helping me with that. So before I divided our things in there, it was just a full mess, that drawer, because it's just a big wide one and everything, as we opened, everything was just moving around. But now with these organizers, everything stays in its place and it's easier to locate everything in there. I like to prepare a few vegetables that we can eat right away because it's encouraging my family to eat more of that things. And also the other thing that I find very helpful storing food is using glass jars. I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be a jar, just a glass one, because something with the glass, it's everything stays fresh for a longer time. I'm going to chop up some leftover veggies for the chickens, so I am going to take this out to the girls and they will be very happy. I am cleaning up the dishes that came out of the refrigerator, and also I'm about to start to clean the outside. am going to use some all-purpose cleaner, and then I'm going to wipe it to dry, and then I'm going to use some paper towel and fractionated coconut oil, and it doesn't really matter how much you put on it because it's not going to stay like that. I'm going to use a clean dry cloth to wipe off the extra, and that will make it look like it's a brand new refrigerator. If you enjoy cleaning videos like that, I have a playlist on the screen that you can click on and continue watching. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys soon in the next video. Bye!